Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Motorola Moto G82 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you want to open up the Google Play Store. Here at the search bar just type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, just click on this green install button and wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. As you can see now, it does not take a lot of time, so we'll simply wait. Now let's go ahead and open it. Here you want to tap on continue. After that, the browser will provide you with an opportunity to decide whether some of the features it has will be enabled from the start, or you can skip and leave such configuration for later. In my case, I'll enable ad blocking, enable tracker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Lastly, you can try to manage and configure what permissions and accesses you're given to the Opera. Me personally, I'll just allow everything it needs. And from now on, that will ultimately mean that you can go ahead and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.